Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, as you can see behind me, all of our snow is gone already in the matter of a couple days. The past few days I've been inside working on some interior trim to our house. So today, since it's about 40 degrees, it's wanting to rain a little bit, but today I thought I'd get out here and work on cutting some of these logs that were left for us again. So today we're going to be grabbing the 500i and cutting some firewood. So I know a couple weeks ago I did a video on this 500i, and my initial reaction was very positive. Still a little unsure because I haven't used it a whole lot. After using it some more, putting a few hours on it, I do like this saw. The throttle response is great. It's obviously a bigger saw, and like I said, down the road we're kind of planning on getting some more land, and we want to have the tools for everything we want to do. I have a 28-inch bar on it, and you guys can let me know in the comments what your favorite bar and chain combo is on a bigger saw, particularly a 28-inch. I think I want to go with the 28-inch light bar. I run a full chisel chain. I got a couple here, so I haven't even had to sharpen a chain yet or anything, because I got a couple new ones, and the original is still on it, still cutting decent, but it's starting to get to that point to come off. I also picked up one of these 2-in-1 sharpeners. Now if you guys have any feedback, let me know. I've never had one of these. Filing chains has always been one of those things. I just feel like I'm very particular about how they're sharpened, and I just need more practice at it. I haven't had to cut wood for a few years, so it's just something I haven't done in a while. But again, let me know in the comments what you guys think your favorite bar and chain is, particularly if you have a 500i or even a 661 or something similar, 462 with a 28-inch bar. Just what's a good fit for you guys. I'm also might look into putting an air filter mod on this. It does like to pull in quite a bit of sawdust, obviously, but I've heard 500s get pretty bad for air filters. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. We're going to keep putting videos out here at Web Outdoors.